Alright guys, we're at the Courtyard by Marriott in San Diego, but right by Liberty Station. There's a bathroom, pretty huge, and very long landscape mirror. A decent sized shower. I really like this mirror, very long landscape mirror. So there's a little Keurig, a little fridge. Phone, notepad, ice bucket, couple glasses, king size bed, a little dresser, TV, desk, view. This is the first floor, little couch. Step stool, little seat. Very nice hotel, very nice lobby. Yeah, pretty decent sized room. I like it. First impression's pretty nice. Well, guys, this was just a quick tour of the Courtyard by Marriott here in San Diego. If you like this video, please check out my other videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.